YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well, being healthy, staying safe. Today I wanted to do another unboxing with you. I know, I did more shopping. Eek. Anyways, I was very excited about this. This is Diptyque's new fragrance, Eau Capitale. I wanted another fragrance because I only have 2 right now, and you're like, 2, that's enough? No, honey, you don't know my family. We love fragrances, like, especially me and my dad. My dad is like uber obsessed and I'm like next level obsessed. I bought this perfume and it's a little bit pricey, like, you know, I'm not here big ballin', but it's a little bit pricey, but I do like investing in fragrances, and I got my dad's approval because he's really good at buying fragrances online without smelling them, which I can be a little bit nervous about. We both did a little bit of research and we thought that this might be a really nice fragrance to try. So let's stop talking, let's get into it. I just received it like an hour ago, so I waited to unbox this. Like, who am I now? I'm a YouTuber. Anyways, here we go. Oh my god. It's from Mecca. Yeah, they did ask if I wanted the pretty boxing or the simple boxing, and I've never ordered from Mecca, so just the first time I thought I'll go with the pretty boxing, and then from now on I'll definitely go just the average sustainable stuff. But I couldn't help myself, especially because this is a pretty little thing and it's a pretty little box. Okay, again, inside it's nicely wrapped. Ooh. Here it is, Eau Capitale. I know it's, sorry, it's trying to get the plastic off. This little sample of Toka Stella of the Parfum. I don't know much about that brand, but I'll try that little sample out as well and let you know. But this is obviously the main exciting thing here. I've been wanting to buy Diptyque for a while. I went to their shop in Chicago last year and I loved a lot of their fragrances, but I just didn't feel it was the right time to buy one at that moment, which was responsible of me. But now I definitely am wanting to. So there is the packaging without all that plastic. Lift that up, and then I think I can smell it already. I'm not sure. I'll read you the notes and everything after I've smelled it. Oh my god, it's gorgeous! It's gorgeous! It's gorgeous! There it is! Oh my god, isn't that it's just beautiful bottles. Like, you can't help yourself. They're just so gorgeous. Eau Capitale. Here we go, real YouTuber style. There we go. Okay, okay. Ooh. Oh, I like this. It's definitely a unisex fragrance. I'd say oh, it's actually really lovely. I love this. I was nervous, but I love it. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. Okay, let me read you the notes because I'm still not expert at like describing perfumes. And oh, yes. So this is rose, bergamot, and patchouli. On the Diptyque website, it says the olfactory accident is like pink peppercorn, and I do like pink peppercorn. It's in the Glossier You perfume. I don't really smell pink peppercorn yet, but I'll let you know when it like dies down. But oh my god, this is gorgeous. You'll be turning a few heads, honey, when you walk past. And this is an EDP, not an EDT, so it was a little bit more pricier, but they last longer and you can use a little bit less. So it's kind of, for me, I feel like it's worth it. Although Diptyque's EDTs are also like really nice and long lasting. Like I said, I've tried. Okay, anyways, this is glorious. I'm gonna go show my dad because I know he's very excited. And I will get back to you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.